Groove Galaxy is a rhythm-based party game that features motion tracking pose detection, a custom-built dance mat, and completely custom hand-drawn assets to deliver a fully immersive, fun game experience.
Our asset creation process includes multiple concept iterations. One of the first sprites we added to this game was the alien, in which the final design went through stages of Pinterest moodboarding, followed by 3 iterations. Upon securing a final alien design, this art and character style was used to create the alien for the rest of the elements, each with different motifs for distinguishable personality while staying consistent and fitting visually into the game. All planets were iterated on an original concept planet, which was later developed further to be more distinct elementally. These were each simplified to a planet base so that animations can be layered on top of them. Different animations were used for each planet, and they each contained 2 to 4 layers. The fire planet used 2 different frame-by-frame stop-motion explosion animations on the planet base. The water planet used a stop-motion water droplet animation, a stop-motion water waves animation around the planet, and a flowing sea foam material, which is contained within a rendering mask to only be visible within the planet.
The dance mat is composed from Velostat, a piezoelectric conductive sheet, which allows varying output based on the amount of pressure applied to it. The harder you step on it, the more current is passed through. As you can see, the copper tape here is taped to one side of the plastic plane, which is identical to the other plastic plane at the bottom of the Velostat. When you step on this pad, the Velostat passes through a current that exceeds the threshold, allowing the circuit to close, and when the circuit closes, the LED will light up. Moreover, in extension to the LED lighting up, the key press on the laptop will be triggered. With this trigger of the key press, Unity can use this as an input, and integration with the game is flawless.
So the skeleton effects currently being displayed on the screen is caused by the ML model detecting one of the 5 poses. So the 5 poses are Earth, Water, Fire, Air, and Idle. How the current ML model works is that it takes 8 specially engineered features from the normalized 33-point media pipe coordinates that are being returned and classifies it as a probability distribution over those 5 classes. Our neural network is currently run in Unity natively by the help of a package called the Inference Engine package, which allows imported neural networks to be run natively in Unity. So it has very low latency, and as you can see, as soon as it detects a change in the pose that the user player is doing, it causes a color change in the skeleton as well.
From the start, we aimed for a dancey space theme vibe, so we worked closely with our composers to produce a main background track that's both atmospheric and energetic. We also requested specific sound effects, including UFO sounds, alien speech, and win and miss feedback. Each planet, or lane, has its own dedicated music track. When the player steps on a lane, an overlay layer is triggered and it transitions smoothly as they switch between 4 of the lanes. We also implemented a beat layer that comes in during gameplay, which helps reinforce the rhythm and makes the experience feel more dynamic. This layered system allows observers to notice the different music elements, while players can stay focused without being distracted.
Throughout development, we have iterated many times on our core gameplay mechanic. From MVP panel, where we had a resource bar system, to beta, featuring more binary requirements, we consistently user-tested and asked the important question of, is this fun for the player? With this information, we are confident in our final choreography-based gameplay mechanic, which features a balance of skill, coordination, and chaos.